Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix printer not working in Windows 10 11 PC or laptop. If your Windows 10 11 printer not working properly, restart the printer and PC to clear temporary glitches. Check that cables are secure or Wi-Fi is connected and run the Windows Printer Troubleshooter or restart the print spooler service and clear the print queue or temporary cache and reinstall drivers are also effective solutions. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Method number 1, essential hardware check. Check the connection. Try a different USB port and then ensure your PC and printers are on the same network. And then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next, clear the printer's internal memory. Turn off the printer power supply and then unplug it from the socket for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This will clear the printer's internal memory. After that, check if the issue is fixed or not. It will fix your problem. If the problem persists, next, method number 2, update or reinstall the printer driver. If the driver is corrupted, the PC cannot see the printer properly even if it is connected. So update or reinstall the printer driver. To do that, go ahead on Start button, right click on the Start button and then select the Device Manager like this. It will open Device Manager. On the Device Manager, expand Printers like this. Then right click on your printer and then select Update Driver like this. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not. If it's not working, then again right click on your printers and then select uninstall device, then unplug your printer and then restart your PC. Once done, then plug the printer back in, then Windows will attempt to reinstall the driver automatically. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not. It will fix your problem. Next, if the problem persists, method number 3, clear stalled print queue. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type printer and scanner, and in the search results, here click on printer and scanner settings. It will open printer and scanner settings page. Here check on your stalled printer and then click on your stalled printer and then click on open queue like this. If any stalled print queue you can see here, then go to printer section and click on it and then click cancel all documents like this. Then click yes to confirm delete all documents. This will delete all stalled print queue documents. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not. It will fix your problem. Next, if the problem persists, method number 4, run the Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Windows Printer Troubleshooter is a built-in tool designed to automatically detect and fix most common printing issue. Okay. To do that, open the settings page by pressing Windows logo key plus I. On the settings page, click on Update and Security like this. Then select your troubleshoot from the left pane like this. Then go to right pane and click additional troubleshooters like this. Then select the printer and click run the troubleshooter like this. Then troubleshooter detecting problems and it will show you printer devices. Then select the printer that is not working correctly and then click next. This will detecting problems and resolve printer issue. This may take for a while. Be patient. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not. It will fix your problem. That's all. Next, if the problem persists, method number 5, clear the print spooler cache with command prompt. Sometimes a corrupted document gets stuck at the front of the line blocking everything else. So clear the print spooler cache with command prompt. To do that, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search box, type CMD and in the search results, here you need to run command prompt as administrator. Select run as administrator, then click yes to approve the user account control prompt. It will open command prompt with admin privilege. In the command prompt window, type the following command. Copy and paste this command from the description box below. Type this command net stop spooler and press enter to stop the service. Then type this command: delete del space percentage system root percentage backslash system32 backslash spool backslash printers backslash star space / q and press enter to clear the print spooler cache. Then type this command: net start spooler and press enter. This will restart the service to allow printing again. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not. This will fix your problem. That's all. Next, if the problem persists, method number 6, restart the print spooler service automatically. The print spooler manages all print jobs. If it freezes, the printer will ignore new commands. Then restart the print spooler service. To do that, open the run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the run dialog box, we will type services.msc and press enter to open the services window. In the services list, scroll down cursor until you find either print spooler services and then double click on it. It will open print spooler properties. Here, if the service is not running, ensure print spooler running automatically. Here under General tab, in the Startup Type drop down menu, select automatic like this. Then if the service status is not running, click the start button like this. Then click apply to keep the changes and then click OK to save the changes. This will fix your problem. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.